Herbal remedies have been used for thousands of years, long before modern medicine. But here's the surprising part. While billions are spent on synthetic drugs, the world often ignores the healing power of herbs, sitting right in our kitchens and gardens. From turmeric and ginger to garlic and ginseng, these natural remedies are scientifically proven to fight disease, strengthen immunity, and even improve mental health. In this video, we'll uncover powerful truths about herbal remedies people usually ignore and why you definitely shouldn't. Stay tuned because this might change the way you see medicine forever. Many people dismiss herbal remedies as old wives' tales, but research tells us different story. For example, curcumin in turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties rivaling some prescription drugs. A 2017 study in Frontiers in Pharmacology showed that herbal medicine plays a crucial role in modern integrative healthcare. Herbs like garlic, ginger, and ginseng have undergone clinical trials proving their effectiveness. Ignoring this evidence means ignoring powerful, natural healing options. Unlike synthetic drugs, many herbal remedies are gentler on the body. For example, chamomile tea can relieve anxiety without the drowsiness of sleeping pills. A 2010 study in phytomedicine confirmed chamomile's safety for long-term use in treating mild anxiety. While pharmaceuticals may deliver quick results, they often come with risks like liver damage, addiction, or long-term dependency. Herbal remedies, when used properly, usually supports the body's natural balance with fewer complications. People often forget that herbs are natural immune boosters. For example, echinacea has been shown to reduce the duration and severity of colds. A 2014 Cochrane review highlighted echinacea's ability to support immune function, while garlic has been proven to fight infections due to its compound allicin. Instead of waiting for illness to strike, herbal remedies strengthen your defense system daily. Modern stress and anxiety levels are skyrocketing, yet many overlook herbal options like ashwagandha and St. John's wort. Studies show that ashwagandha reduces cortisol, the stress hormone, by up to 30%. A 2016 review in Curious confirmed its role in reducing anxiety and improving sleep quality. Ignoring these herbs means relying solely on synthetic antidepressants, which often carry heavy side effects. Well viewers, if you didn't subscribe to our channel yet, please subscribe now. Indigestion, bloating and ulcers are common, but herbs can help. Ginger aids digestion and reduces nausea, while peppermint oil relaxes intestinal muscles, easing IBS symptoms. A 2014 review in Elementary Pharmacology and Therapeutics confirmed peppermint oil's effectiveness in IBS treatment. Ignoring these natural solutions means enduring discomfort or overusing harsh medications. Chronic inflammation is the root cause of heart disease, arthritis, and even cancer. Herbs like turmeric and boswellia, which is also known as frankincense, are natural anti-inflammatories. A 2016 clinical trial in arthritis research and therapy showed turmeric extract significantly reduced arthritis pain. Ignoring these herbs means missing a natural way to fight the root of disease. Why do people in places like Okinawa and Crete live longer? Herbal-rich diets, green tea, turmeric, and ginseng are common in long-living cultures. A 2019 study in Nutrients found that polyphenols in herbs extend life by fighting oxidative stress. Ignoring herbal remedies may mean ignoring a path to healthy aging. Herbal remedies are often more affordable than prescription drugs. A pack of turmeric costs less than a single bottle of painkillers. A World Health Organization (WHO) report highlights how 80% of people in developing countries rely on herbal medicine for affordable healthcare. Ignoring herbs means missing out on accessible healing. Herbal remedies don't just treat symptoms, they enhance holistic well-being. Holy basil, which is also known as tulsi, improves energy, lowers stress, and strengthens immunity. A 2017 review in evidence-based complementary and alternative medicine confirmed its adaptogenic properties. Ignoring herbs means missing out on natural balance for mind, body, and spirit. The biggest myth that herbs and modern medicine can't work together. In fact, many drugs were originally derived from plants. Aspirin from willow bark, morphine from opium poppy. Integrative medicine now combines herbal remedies with modern treatment for better outcomes. A 2015 review in The Lancet stressed the value of integrative medicine. Ignoring herbs means ignoring powerful partnerships in healing. So there you have it, 10 powerful things people ignore about herbal remedies and why you shouldn't. From boosting immunity to fighting inflammation and even helping you live longer, herbs are nature's original pharmacy. Don't overlook what's been healing humanity for centuries. Now tell me, which herbal remedy do you trust the most? Drop your answers in the comments below. And if you found this video eye-opening, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more science-packed health insights. Remember, your health may already be growing in your garden.